Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna probably do this makeup look using just this palette. So how are you guys doing? I'm gonna probably just do one eye and then one eye off the camera, so it's just faster. I already primed one of my eyes with this hard candy. I'm trying to finish this up, even though it's a really good primer. I just like finishing up things. I should be. So I'm gonna use this. I'm trying to wipe it off, even though I do have a color swatch that I got from BoxyCharm. Let's see. People were complaining where they found these at the dollar stores for $1. So if you do find that, that's really good. But I never found any for $1. So I'm glad that BoxyCharm did send me one of these. It's okay so far. I don't see any difference that came off. But let's just do this eye look. It's really shiny. Let's see. I might just like do this light cream color. There is fallout when you do a brush. Use a brush and go with this light cream color. I always like to start light on the crease. I'd like to do pink, so I'm gonna go in with pink on top of the light brown cream shade. Just go in and mix it. It is very light, so I'm gonna go in with the pink again and work with that pink. I always like to do the light shade in the crease area. And then I want to go in with, so my last video I swatched these, so I'll probably link that down below so you can watch it. I'm all doing it in the same day, so if I'm wearing this again, the same day. I want to go in probably this black shimmer shade, which is really neat and nice, just for the outer portion of the eye. Now I might have to build this up. I wanted to play with this one today, and I might just like do like a dupe where I use the BH and then I use the Barbie in one look and see how that goes. But for now, I'm just gonna use the Barbie palette. See, with dupings, you can do like a lot of videos. First, you can swatch them. Second, you can do one eye look different palettes. You can play with one or the other palette. You can just do so many with these duping palettes for each other. I'm gonna go in with this purple because this black shade is like a coral shade, and I'm just gonna dip into this purpley shade right next to it. There's supposed to be a lot of glitter, I guess, but I only see like a couple bits of glitter. I'm gonna go like right on top of the black, just like a smoky color. Smoking it out. Again with the purple. And see if that makes a difference. Right now it's like looking a little choppy. Not the best pigmentation. So I'm gonna use this again. Okay, that worked. A little bit. Whatever. So it's okay, not the best. For like almost $40, you gotta be the best. You might have to use your fingers. Maybe I'll just do that. Shouldn't have to with expensive. So I'm going in with the black shade next to the purple shade. I don't know if you see that glitter, and then just going in and pressing my finger onto my lid. And see, yes, it does do better with your finger. And you shouldn't have to do that with expensive brands, products. You should have to use your brush. I'm going in with this purple shade with my pinky. I'm just gonna go right here. It's right here. You shouldn't have to use your finger. It's a gorgeous palette. You should just never use your finger for how expensive this palette is. That is like sometimes Too Faced. Tarte. Definitely Tarte. I'm gonna go in. I kind of want to dig into this blue, but I want that purple. They are very creamy. They are fallout colors. Just look at that when I swatched it with my last video. I'm gonna go in right here on the lid, just like kind of on the purple. I don't know. It's a finger kind of palette, so you're gonna be messy with this palette. I want to dig into probably this pink. Gotta have pink. Just got to. Just going in with the rest of the lid. Of course, I guess you have to use your finger. It's not the best eye look. I just wanted to play around with this and see how that goes. Okay, next. Thank you, next. Just kidding. I'm gonna go in with this, like a shell color, pearl. I don't know how people like do this part so perfectly. I'm going in with this brush. It's probably dirty. Wipe it. Go with this purple shade in the outer portion under. It's an okay palette. If you can find it cheaper on eBay, that would be beautiful. I wish I didn't spend so much on this palette, knowing, because I like the other palettes by Per. They are like really creamy as well, but they went on smoother, and with the brush, you didn't have to use your fingers. So. Okay, I'll do the rest off camera, mascara, eyeliner, and the other eye, and see how that turns out at the end. See you in a bit. And here's the finished look. It might look better with lashes on, but I don't wear lashes, so this is what it looks like. So what do you think about this palette? Do you not mind putting this on with your finger or brushes? I mainly like brushes because it goes on faster. It just looks like a big old mess to me when I use my fingers. But what do you think? What do you use? I used for my lashes the Lancome and this Tarte Man Eater for a the higher lashes, and this Thrive Cosmetics in my lower lashes. And for eyeliner, it fell. This blue Illuminati eyeliner, I cannot speak right now. It's a gel paint. My mom gave that to me from her BoxyCharm, so yeah. This is what the finished look like. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. This is the Per X Barbie palette. And yeah, thanks for watching.